When ordering on the official website, use the discount code MaxiECUYT to get a 5% discount and contribute to the development of this channel.
Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to correctly perform the coding required to activate the rear-view camera after retrofitting it to the vehicle. This guide covers only the coding process itself and does not include installation instructions. A helpful wiring diagram for the camera is included in the video description. The camera used here is an aftermarket replacement, and for the installation a popular external adapter was used, easily available on auction sites. As you can see in the video, after installing the camera, the infotainment system does not display the rear view image when reverse gear is selected. So let's move on to the proper configuration using MaxiECU program. We connect to the vehicle and select the radio navigation module. Then go to the coding tab. As always, with more advanced coding, I recommend creating a backup of the current configuration so you can revert to it if any issues occur or if a mistake is made. After creating the backup, we proceed to adjust the controller settings according to the new requirements. I've also included this configuration list in the video description. Once the entire coding sequence is completed, we need to save the configuration to the controller. We switch to the Adaptations tab and use the Save Configuration function. During the process, the infotainment system will restart and apply the new settings. If everything goes correctly, we can additionally check the controller for any configuration-related errors. As you can see in this case, everything went as expected, so we can run another test and verify that the camera is functioning properly. All done. The camera activation was successful. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with upcoming materials. Thank you for watching.